Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my birds' usual morning routine. So right now I'm feeding my birds with their favorite millet. Here they are eating. The bluebird is named Angel and the green bird is named Star. Angel's gender is a boy and Star's gender is a girl. They both always get scared easily, so when I approach them, I have to go slowly or else they'll fly around their cage. Whenever I feed them, I always close the door or they'll fly out. They're like cute little creatures. Additionally, their sleeping time is at 7 o'clock at night. And Angel and Star always have fights. Both of them are always quiet when they get covered. It's probably because they know it's nighttime. I got my birds from my tita. Her name is Tita Rose, and I'm so happy she gave them to me. Every day at the afternoon around 3 o'clock, I let the birds go outside for at least 1 hour to get sunlight for their physical and mental health. Angel and Star's bird breed is a budgie. When I was younger, I always wanted a pet bird, including I'm trying to gain their trust and tame them. So now that they finished eating, it's time to play. Here I am playing with them. As you can see, they run away from me. It's because they don't trust me yet. Watch them run away so cutely. They're so entertaining and funny. Not them separating. Angel cutely going to Star. The little run is so adorable. Not me getting shocked when I touch their feather. Separation. I can't. They're so scared. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Say bye, Angel and Star. Here they are, sleeping. Good night, little birdies. Why is Angel so cute swinging?